So good afternoon children, good afternoon everyone. So here children, so we have been completed the lesson that is 15. So here yesterday I have explained you 16th lesson. Yes or no? Yes. So 16th lesson I explained you. So here we completed 16th lesson, that is Helen Keller. So how the Helen? So here how the Helen Keller was, how she is, how she has been, how she has been. She is a small child that is about 19 months. She is about 19 months child. So here not even she is a 2 years old. She was a very healthy and she will be spoke by some words. After that what happened? She estranged. చాలా ఎక్కువగా జ్వరం వచ్చిన వల్ల తను ఏమైంది, తనకు జ్వరం బాగా వచ్చింది, దానివల్ల తన యొక్క కంటి చూపిని, తన యొక్క వినే శక్తిని కోల్పోయింది. హూ? హెలెన్ కెల్లర్. సో ఇన్ స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఆల్సో she did not lose her patience. So she tried. So after that she has identified with her clothes. After that the her mother has been joined her. She didn't join there. So she only was interested, but she used to get angry. She cannot speak with others. So after that Annie teacher, the Annie Sullivan teacher, she has helped the Helen to read, to taught her. So what she taught? With the help of brain. So Braille, she was with the help of Braille she has been taught. So first she has taught by the letters of pouring water on her hand. So like that only she has become very good in all of learning. Next she has been joined the college also. After that she has wrote the story here. What story she wrote? The Helen, what she has wrote? The story of her only, herself. The story of my life story she wrote. So with the help of Annie teacher, she is a very helpful. Till 50 years she has been helped the Helen. So here, so a teacher and a student, how the understanding is there. Whatever the Annie teacher used to tell to the Helen, she used to do perfectly. Like that only between us. So whatever I am saying, you to take the interest, concentration and keep it. 5th class students, next year you are going to 6th. So here the teacher and student మధ్యలో ఎంత అఫెక్షన్ ఉంది, ఎంత బాగా చెప్తే అంత మంచి మీరు చేయాలి. నేను మీకు హెల్ప్ చేయాలి, మీరు నాకు సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తేనే నేను మీకు సపోర్ట్ ఇస్తాను. సో నేను చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతూ ఉంటా, మీరు వింటూ పోతూ ఉంటారు. దానికి ఒక చేతులతో విని ఒక చేతితో వదిలితే దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టీచర్. సో హియర్ షీ ఈస్ బ్లైండ్. Here she is a blind, but also she has not lost her patience. She has been in patience. తన యొక్క ఓపిక ఉంచుకొని ఇంకా వెదిగి ఇంకా చదువుకొని తన యొక్క లైఫ్ స్టోరీ కూడా రాసింది. ఇక్కడ ఎవరు? హెలెన్ రాసి తర్వాత చాలామందికి పాపులర్ అయిపోయింది. హెలెన్ చాలామందికితో పాపులర్ అయిపోయింది. ఎవరు? హెలెన్. పెద్ద పెద్ద మనుషులతో తిరగడం వెళ్ళడం జరిగింది. దాని తర్వాత హెలెన్ ఏం చేసింది? షీ వాజ్ బికమ్ వెరీ సక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ డిటర్మినేషన్. షీ హాస్ బీన్ వెరీ సక్సెస్. మెనీ పీపుల్ వర్ ఓవర్కమ్డ్ హర్ అండ్ హ్యాండిక్యాప్స్. నెక్స్ట్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పర్సన్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. తన యొక్క ఇంపార్టెంట్. మేము ఎంత చెప్పినా మీరు మమ్మల్ని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. నౌ ద జనరేషన్ ఈజ్ లైక్ దట్. ఇఫ్ వన్ టీచర్ హెల్ప్స్ యూ, వన్ టీచర్ ఈజ్ మోటివేటింగ్ యూ, బట్ యూ విల్ నాట్ రిమెంబర్, జస్ట్ యూ విల్ నాట్ ఎట్ ఆల్ విష్ దెమ్ టు సీ ద టీచర్స్. సో నవ్ యూ విల్ నాట్ విష్, బట్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ అంటే తన యొక్క లైఫ్లో మదర్ని కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇవ్వలే. ద టీచర్ షీ హాస్ గివెన్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ టు హర్. దట్ ఈస్ Annie teacher. Annie Sullivan teacher. Annie Sullivan teacher is important in her life. So now we will move to the summative assessment, children. The first one is page number 72, bit number 1. So pick out the words from the passage and complete the blanks. So first I will write the answers, then I will explain you. Strange, B1 is pretended. C1 is impatient. Communicate. The last one is 51 is determination. So these are the 5. Pick out the words given. So here first one is strange, pretended, impatience, communicate, determination. So here Mary opened the door and saw strange. Sighed. It was nothing like she has imagined. Next. Sometimes my sister pretended to be a small child. She even cried and laughed like one. My teacher is never impatient with us. If we do not understand, she explained the lesson again. Animals can communicate with each other as well. They use certain sounds and actions to be understood. So animals can communicate with each other as well. They use certain sounds and action to be understood. My brother has great determination. In spite of fracture, he has practiced in the school race. So these are the 5. Pick out the words from the passage and complete the blanks. So second one is complete the following sentence of Helen Keller. So this is the very big one. So just I will leave it. If the time is there, I will write for this for you at last. So next we are going to the match the causes effects in the Helen's life. Here is asking to the matching. Is asking to the match the Helen's life affected. So causes, effect. So I will rub this first one. Next effects entivi, causes entivi chuddam. So just I will write the ABC is there. 1, 2, 3 I will write. Children don't be. So here it is a small causes. I will write for you. మొత్తం మీకు అర్థమయ్యేటట్టే చేస్తాను నేను రాస్తాను. డోంట్ బి కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్. సో హియర్ A, B, C, D, E, F. సో హియర్ EF is there. So just I will match the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here 6 are there. I will match you correctly. Then I will explain you. Don't worry. Okay. I will also explain you correctly. No need to be confused. Confused avutundi. Meer AB istunaru. So here in the blackboard we can't write. See how much big it is. Just you can match it in that. As well as in the class also I used to for you to tell Helen felt people and here she learned. Second one I used to show and write like this in the classroom. There is a lot of time. So I used to write. Now here just matching I will write here matching. So first I will explain you. Helen felt people's hand. Helen had a strange fever which a child. Helen wrote a book on her life. Helen's family want to help her. Annie Ann regained her sight after an operation. Helen started throwing tantrums. So these are the causes. Tanya causes. So what are effects? She made money and bought a house. She learned to knead dough. Annie understood Helen better than her family. Her family arranged for Annie to teach Helen. She felt helpless as she could not talk. She became deaf and blind. So these are the causes effect. First one is Helen felt people and she learned to knead. The second one is the first A1. She learned to knit dot. Helen had a strange fever with a child. Next, that is, she became blind and deaf. Last E, sixth one. C. Helen wrote a book on her life. Yes, she earned money. She made money and bought a house. That is the first one. The D one is Helen's family want to help her. Yes. her family arranged. Fourth one, her family has arranged for Annie teacher to teach Helen. Annie had regained her sight after operation. So that is third one. Annie understood Helen better than her family. Helen started throwing a trumpet. She felt helpless as she could not talk. This is the A key. Second one. So here I will write for you 2, 6, 1, 4, 3, 5. So here I wrote I wrote you. Okay. So no need to be worried. Ayyo naku ardham kavatలేదు teacher. The beside I wrote for you. Okay. So this is the matches, causes as well as effects. So now I am rubbing children's. So here I am rubbing this one. Next we will move to the another bit. Here Helen's teacher Annie, being different her life, make a list of all the ways she helped the Helen. So a small bit number 4, it is very easy. It is a homework. In the textbook you do it. Page number 73. Is your small homework, children. Bit number 4. Do it. Very easy. If you understand the lesson, you can do it anything. Okay. అర్థం చేసుకుంటే లెసన్ని ఈజీగా ఏదైనా ఒకటి చేయొచ్చు. Next we are moving to the bit number 5. This was the key which unlocked the world of her. First one A. Bit number 5, page number 74 page number. Which keys began to refer to her? Name of different things. ఏ కీ అనేది రిఫర్ అయింది తన యొక్క హియర్ కీ. నేమ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఏ ఆన్సర్. The second one, B, is who helped to open a whole new world for Helen? She is Annie Sullivan. She is Annie Sullivan. So next C1 is how did she do it? She spelled the words in Helen's hand. She has been spelled. So water, she has poured the water. How she spelled means she poured the water on her hand, and WATER she has been explained. No, that is the answer of this. ఎలా అనేది తనకు నేర్పించింది. వర్డ్స్ ఎలా నేర్పించింది అంటే తన యొక్క చేతు పైన వాటర్ పోసింది, తర్వాత వాటర్ అని నేర్పించింది. WATER అని. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ వర్డ్ షీ హాస్ బీన్ స్టార్టెడ్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫిఫ్త్ బిట్. ఇయర్ బ్రెయిలీ వాజ్ డెవలప్డ్ టు హెల్ప్ ద పీపుల్, బ్లైండ్ పీపుల్ని. ఇలా ABCD అంటే ఏ అంటే 1, B అంటే 2 ఇలా. సో యూ వన్స్ సీ డు ద పిక్చర్ అండ్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై బ్రెయిన్. ఎంత కష్టమో కళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళకి ఈ యొక్క బ్రెయిన్లీ హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. కళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళకి, మనం కళ్ళు ఉన్నా కూడా కరెక్ట్గా చదవం. కళ్ళు లేని వాళ్ళకి దే విల్ క్లోజ్ అండ్ బ్రెయిన్లీ అని దే విల్ కీప్ లైక్ దిస్ AB అలా పెడతారనమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ 8th one, words work. Meaning word, again meaning word I should write here. The bit number 8. I'll move to the bit number 8 now. Meanings, words. I have to write meaning and word both. Okay. He will give there only meanings and word. I have to write that meaning. దానికి ఆన్సర్ ఏంది వర్డ్. Meaning, identify a person or a thing. Meanings, shape with hand, recover, physical problem, extraordinary, handicap, recognize, need, amazing, regained. So this is the meanings. Words I have to. So here I have to write only meanings and words. Bit number 8, meaning and word. I'll write here only meanings and word answers, okay? So full I'll not write, just I'll write meanings and word. First one, identify a person or a thing, recognize. Write the recognized. First one is B. Second one is shape with hands, net, that is C. Third one is recovered, regained, that is E. Fourth one is physical problems, handicap, A. The fifth one is extraordinary, amazing, is the D. So here B, C, E, A, D is the answer. Recognize, net, regain, handicap, amazing are the answers. D. This is the D one. So these are the meanings and words. Next we will move to the grammar part again. Okay. Again we are moving to the grammar part. Here he given adverb. He given here adverb. Now we will, what is meant by adverb? Adverb often numbers. These shown how often or how many times of action take place here. He never goes out during the evening. The boy played the same song again. This shows the number of how many times the action takes place here. Adverb of degrees. This shows how much extent of action takes place. This is hardly any milk left in the fridge. The mountains is very high. So here the answer is, here he given shows extent action takes place here. Interrogative adverbs. This adverb is used to ask questions. Questions are when did you come? Question mark. Next, how do you play these games? These are the question marks, means in the interrogative adverbs they will ask the questions. So next, fill in the blanks using adverb opposite meanings to the one of the given in the bracket. So here we will start. First one is, he is dash eager to move, never. Bit number A. Always, never, always is the opposite words. Second one is inside, outside, opposite end to the inside. Sad, happily, happily is the sad opposite. Fourth one, fast, slowly, fast. Fifth one, empty, full. So here the boy, again once I will explain you. The girl played inside the room. The boy looked happily at his father. The boy looked happily at his father. The boy walked slowly to the bus stop. The bottle was full when it is found it empty. Next, an interrogative adverbs to complete the following. So here again next bit. B1 is adverb ni interrogative lo cheyamani chepparu. Bit number B. First one, dash is an interview to the telescope. Who? Second one, what? Do. Use. We use to chopping vegetables. So here, dash, did you come to school today? How? Why? When? These three will become. Why, when, how, these all will come. Next, why did you take my favorite pencil? The fifth one is, how, when will you Rama visit your house? How? When? So this all will be come to. So ikkada mood enduku vachinayi ante mood vastayi. Aa yokka paragraph ki question ki 3 will come. So this is the bit number B. So this is the last bit number, that is C. Fill in the blanks with the most suitable adverbs given in the box. Ikkada fill in the blanks. So children, you can write very easy. It is also if you want to write 5th class children. So this one also I'll give for you homework. Why? Because very easy one. Okay. ఇందాక ఇచ్చాను ఒక హోంవర్క్, ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఇస్తున్నాను ఒక హోంవర్క్. పేజీ నంబర్ 76. వెరీ ఈజీ. దేర్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఈజీ. అక్కడ చూసి నేను చెప్తాను. ఐ విల్ ఆల్సో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ యూ కెన్ రైట్. హోంవర్క్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ ఇన్ ద టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ యూ రైట్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ అడ్వర్బ్స్తో ఫిల్ చేయాలి. ప్లేఫుల్, కేర్ఫుల్, క్విక్లీ, పేషెంట్లీ, సిన్సియర్లీ, స్లోలీ, లౌడ్లీ, క్వైట్లీ, హైప్లీ, సేఫ్లీ. Sita skipped happily. First one is happily down the road to meet her friend. Next second one is the team ran quickly to finishing line. Quickly, tondarga. The librarian told the children to read the books quietly. The cat chased the ball around playfully. Mohit waited patiently for his turn. The tortoise walked slowly and could not overtake the hail. Ahmad answered the test carefully so that he could pass. Arun saw that no car were coming to across the street safely. The child shouted loudly as they played. We should pray sincerely. Very easy. Okay. So this now we have been completed. Do the homework. Just I explained you. You also keep your mind. So keep your mind and do this one. So I have left here one bit. You do it with your keep your mind stress. Okay, కొంచెం మైండ్ పెడితే నేను చెప్పింది అర్థమవుతే you will be success. All bits you only will be right. So now we completed the lesson, children. So thank you very much, children, to listen my lesson and be good children. Do hard work. You to do hard work, concentration, everything you do. So thank you very much, children, to listen my lesson.